It is essential to recognize the potential implications and responsibilities associated with the usage of this technology. Before utilizing voice cloning technology, please keep the following in mind. The creators and developers of voice cloning technology cannot be held liable for any misuse or unethical use of the technology by third parties. Users assume full responsibility for their actions and the consequences thereof. By using voice cloning technology, you acknowledge and agree to abide by the responsible and ethical usage of voice cloning technology. It is essential to foster trust, respect, and integrity in its application across various domains. Have you ever imagined having the ability to clone your own voice, seamlessly integrating it into your creative projects with precision and authenticity? Well, today, we're about to turn that imagination into reality. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of cloning your voice using the advanced technology provided by 11 Labs. Whether you're a podcaster, YouTuber, educator, or aspiring voice actor, mastering this technique will elevate your content creation game to new heights. So grab your headphones, clear your throat, and get ready to embark on an exciting adventure into the world of voice cloning. Let's unlock the full potential of your voice with 11 Labs. Step 1. Click the link in the description of this video and head over to 11labs.io.
Step 2. Log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Step 3. In the left panel, click on the Voices option and then click on Create. Step 4. Click on Generative or Cloned Voice. Step 5. Click on Instant Cloned Voice. Step 6. Name your cloned file. Step 7. Upload a recording of your voice or record a 30-second clip. Be sure to speak clearly and in the tone you would like your content to be read, and avoid background noise. If you did not upload a pre-recording of your voice, preview the 30-second recording you created. Step 8. Once you're satisfied, give a description of your voice and agree to the terms. Step 9. Click Add Voice. Your cloned voice will now be added to the voice options list. Step 10. Select your cloned voice from the voice options list. Step 11. Add the text you would like to be read in your cloned voice. Step 12. Click Generate. Once generated, the text will be played back in your voice.
This is an example of my voice reading this.
You can adjust stability, clarity, and style exaggeration in the voice settings section. Once satisfied, click the download icon and your content will be ready to use.
Click the link in the description below for a detailed blog post that accompanies this video.
If you would like to see more helpful videos from this channel, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.